Pareho and bumping. Bologna, set for a three-point area, no good rebound. Zano to Bologna, pinabitawan ng bola. Back to Zano, Zano goes good through, no good rebound. Ranho, very tough. He's dealing very tough. Very tough. Serabay, looking for a good receiver to Labuanan to Belica to Rano for a three-point area, no good rebound. Tapareho, check by Belica, Rano left for a three-point area, no good net. No. Recover again ni Rano to Belica. Umupurma para sa atin, natigyan gawa ng bola, Belica. Harap kay Tabarejo, harap kay Chu, Labuanan doon sa call, Baurat, Tabarejo. Holland, Tabarejo. Second ng Tabarejo, 13 foul. Yeah, Labuanan. Looking for a receiver, Labuanan, kaya basang-basa ni Bologna. Pinaikot ang bola, nakuha naman ni Laureta, gustong pumasok para sa loob, wala, rebound, Valdez kaya ang bola, Valdez, nabitawan ang bola, goal. Oras, 1 minute 14 seconds remaining for the second quarter. Ranho to Labuanan set away, looking for the receiver, Belica. Belgica. Labuanan close for 2 points. Rani. Last 53 seconds. Sa wakas, nabutasan na yung 9. Tabarejo to Jackson Logu. Belgica. Last 38 seconds. Ranho. Zanabay, looking for the receiver. Belica, last 27 seconds. Close for 3 on. 3 points. Tabarejo, last 15 seconds. Tabarejo. Last 12 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7. Last 7 seconds mo tayo. Last 7 seconds mo tayo. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time. 21-16.